Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. In the last episode, we went over identity and values, and in this one, we are going over the meta attribute of the attribute definition. So let's go ahead and we're going to turn this temporarily into a meta attribute because intelligence will never be a meta attribute. We'll go ahead and check mark this on. You'll see it drastically changes what is available. And here's why. The game playability system um, if you want to use it properly, uses meta attributes. And what are meta attributes? Well, meta attributes, think of them very simple terms as when you create a function and then you go and create a local variable, it plays the same role as a local variable. We store everything that we want to do to the health on the meta attribute. And once everything is added together, we have the meta attribute change the health of your target or yourself or whatever. And then it zeroes it back out. That is its purpose. That is all. Which is why when you mark it as such, you then choose what the target attribute is. So if we come in here to meta, I have an example for you. Target attribute is vital.health. So the system now knows that not only is incoming damage a meta attribute, it knows which attribute it's supposed to affect. And then you have the category tags. So if you um, decide to have a bunch of different, anyways, we'll go over organization later. I don't want to get distracted. Sorry. Meta attributes. That is all you really need. And this is all you get for meta attributes because it doesn't get replicated. It doesn't. It's not needed for the UI. Nothing. It serves its only purpose is to cleanly change health. In this instance. Oh, 1 second here. All right. So big reason why I use data assets because it then gives you a bunch of warnings when it doesn't save correctly. This can safely be ignored for the time being, but if you want it to go away, then all we need to do is go into Edit, Project Settings, scroll down, Gas Ally, and set this meta attribute. Once you do that, the red warning goes away, the yellow warning does not. Um, I'm going to make this go away though before release, so you can safely ignore that. Um, so yeah, that is one of the big bonuses of having using data assets. Everything can be validated, so you don't have to worry about messing anything up. Hear that? That's everything for the meta attributes section. In the next video, we will go over clamping.